All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HUC High Universal Cut. So, guys, today look at this hair now. We want to barb a normal low cut, a perfect step one low cut. So, if today is your first time on seeing my channel, please don't forget this channel is basically for haircut tutorial, theory and practical. So, if you want to learn barbering from the scratch, this channel is for you. So make sure you subscribe, and once you subscribe, turn your notification bell on so that whenever I post a video like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Do you get? So today there is something I want to teach us which you need to know. When a customer comes to your salon and he wants to have his hair cut and he sits down, you cover him, don't just start barbing the customer's hair. First do the proper words, consultation. First deliberate with your customer, ask him how he wants it. Sorry guys, ask him how he wants it. Do you get? What makes some persons think that this barber doesn't know how to barb is because that barber did not ask the person what he wants. He just decided to start barbing because the person said low cut. He just carried step one. So today I'm going to show us sorry guys, I'm going to show us what to do whenever a customer comes with a bushy hair and he told you to barb him low cut. The first thing you need to do is to use step 3 to bring the hair down first. Then as you bring the hair down, ask the customer if it's okay by him. If he says no, that is no okay, you use your what? Step 2. If he still say that it's still high, that you should still come down, you use your step 1.5. And if he still say that it's too high, then use your step 1. Know all these things. Know when to use step 1, step 2, step 1.5, step 3, step 4, and so on. Then if you use step 1 to bring the hair down and you still say that the hair is still up, then what you need to know is to use your normal blade low cuts. By bringing the gel down, once you carry it up, it's on skin. If you bring it down, it's on low cut blade. Then use your low cut blade to bring it down. So with these processes now, you can never have issue with your customer. Do you get? So this one now, he has told me that he wants the hair to come down. But the first thing I need to do, as I just explained, I'll practicalize it by using this step 3 first, so that you see how the hair is going to come down, the level of the hair when you use step 3. So guys, if you find this video helpful, and if you learn something from this theory alone before we dive into practical, make sure you share this video, like, comment, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow for more. So let's dive into it. This is step 3. Can you see it? This is step 3. You put your clipper, you on it, you bring it down. Sorry guys. You bring it down, put it like this. Can you see this is very, very strong? You bring it like this. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, share, and if you see anywhere that I'm not doing it right, please correct me. We are all learners. No one is an island, no one knows it all. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see that this hair is very, very entangled? So you just use your comb to comb it out. But as you are doing it, just be asking him if the level is okay. Can you see? This is the level. This is how it's going to be when you use step 3. Can you see it? And once you are barbing low cut, make sure you are texturing it very well, following it accordingly, the way the hair grows. Do you get? Because some of us don't know that this hair that you see here, this is the junction box. This is where all this hair that you see here, this is where it's connected from. This is the junction box. So if you don't follow it, that is why when you see somebody that cut low cut here, this junction box, if you are not careful enough, here will chop. Have you noticed that thing? Here will chop. But if you follow it accordingly, let's show you the way the hair grows, you get it. Like as this one is now, you follow it like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, so that this junction box, you will not chop it. So watch what I just explained now. Can you see how strong this hair is? Can you see I'm following it? Can you see it? So can you see what I'm doing? Can you see I'm following it? But now I'm going to use step 1.5 because this is not the level that he wants it. I'm going to use step 1.5 now. This is step 1.5. Can you see it? I'm going to use it to bring it down again. Follow it accordingly again, the way you followed it before. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see the way I'm following it? Can you see it? Make sure you follow it accordingly. Texture it very well and make sure you are dusting off the hair from your customer's face. Can you see the way I'm following it? Can you see it? This is how you are going to follow it accordingly. Hope you see different here now. The first one that I used step 3, the level was not like this. Can you see this step 1.5? See the level now. If the customer said that it's okay like this, then you can smoothen it very well. But if the customer says that it's not okay, then you use step 1 to bring it down again. Where is it come down? It's okay. Now he said that it's okay like this. So this is the level he wants it. So you make sure you smoothen it very well. Follow it accordingly. Follow the junction box. Can you see? See the way I did it? I followed it like this, like this, like this. So I'm going like this, like this, like this. Can you see this? Hope you are learning something. So you follow it. When you come to this side, make sure you use your left hand. Remember, use this finger to hold the step. Even if the step clipped very well, still use this finger to hold it, so that as you are dragging the hair, it will not pull off. Because if you don't use your finger to hold it, if you are dragging the hair, if you are bringing the hair down, the step might pull off and it will chop the hair. Do you understand all these techniques? So you follow it like this. Use your left hand. For those of you that don't know how to use left hand, I will teach you. Just comment that you want to learn how to use your left hand, then I'll tell you what to do, or I make a video for you. Please don't forget to share. Please let other people to benefit. Don't be stingy. Can you see the way I'm following it? Can you see the way I'm following it? Make sure you take your time. I told us that if you don't have patience, you can never be a good barber. Barbering is not for you if you don't have patience. And if you don't have passion for this work, if you like 100 years, you will not be able to barb it. You will not be able to know how to barb hair perfectly, because you must first love what you want to learn. You have passion for. Do you get? So this is it. There is something I will show us now. Just take your time to watch this video from the beginning to the end. You surely learn something. If you are not following me yet on Facebook and TikTok, it's the same name, High Universal Cut. Go and follow me. So now, watch something here now. I've gotten the level that he wants, right? Now watch something. Can you see that he had taper fade, right? So how can you clean this place now so that it will rhyme with this one? You know, he doesn't want to barb any style. He just wants it to be uniform. Then if you come across hair like this and you barb the level to the level that he or she wants, the next thing you need to do is to use your step one. If you use your step one, you put your clipper under low cut level, you bring the gel down, put it on your step one, then you fade it, you fade the line, you fade it like this. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see it? You fade it. Can you see it? Can you see it, guys? You fade it. Can you see it, guys? So after you fade it finish, the next thing you need to do is to remove the step one, put it under low cut level, and you trim the hair. You trim it like this. Put it under low cut level, you trim it like this. When you are trimming hair, don't do like this. Don't just trim anyhow. Follow it accordingly. Texture it very well. You trim the hair. You trim the hair. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? So after you trim the hair finish, can you see how smooth and neat the hair is? Can you see it? Can you see it? After you trim it finish, then you shape the hair. You carve it. Shaping the hair in the sense that you carve the hair, give him a hairline. Do you understand? Okay, now let me teach us something. For those of us that don't know how to give a hairline very well, okay, I'm going to make a video for that specifically. But I think I have done the video on my TikTok or Facebook. That's why you need to follow me on TikTok, Facebook. Ah, okay, now once you want to give a hairline, follow it. The one that works for me very well, I normally start my hairline from the vertical bar. Some start from the horizontal bar. So you first start from where the hair start from, the bar. Can you see it? This pencil is not sharp anymore. Can you see it? Then you follow it, the friction. Can you see it? This is the, for those of us that are learning how to shape hair. Wait, calm down. Let me sharpen this pencil. Oh, I've lost this thing now. Don't worry, I'm going to make a proper video for that. Do you understand? I'm going to make a video for that. So you follow it accordingly. This pencil is not sharp again. For those of you that want to learn how to give a perfect hairline, I'm just using this to demonstrate it. Do you get? After that, this guy is going to go. After you shape it finish, the customer is ready to go. So guys, please, if you find this video helpful, please, the only help you do for me, I'm not telling you to give me money, just share this video, like, comment anything you like. Do you get? And if you want to be part of us, then subscribe, turn your notification bell on. And for those of you that have not joined my membership pack, please do join my membership pack, because there are some things that I will teach that the only people that can have access to it are those people that are on my membership list. So please go and join my membership perk. Please join. I know I'm saying this because time is coming when you not have access to my video again. Only my membership perk members will be the only one to have access to it. So please, I love you guys. This is HUC. Share, like, comment, and follow, subscribe. Thank you guys.